Here's how to fix Instagram photo access not working on your iPhone. Now, if you're trying to upload a photo or a video to Instagram, but it's not allowing you to access it, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, you might be seeing an error that looks like this. It says, please allow access to your photos. One option is you can hit the enable library access from here, but that doesn't always work, and you might need to get into the settings to manually do it in the settings. So from the settings, let's scroll down, and you're going to choose privacy and security there. Tap on that. And now from here, all we need to do is find photos on this list, tap on photos, and you'll be able to see Instagram. However, you might find that it is grayed out and not allowing you to change it. If that is the case, then it's screen time is the issue. So let's go back out here, tap on screen time here. We'll scroll down and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now you have two options. One is you can just turn off content and privacy restrictions, or you can go down to photos and switch this to allow changes. Now you can also just toggle off content and privacy restrictions completely if you don't need it. Now let's go back out of here and we'll go back to privacy and security. And then we can go to photos. And from here, I can tap on Instagram and allow full access. Now, if you still aren't able to do it or it's still not working, the next thing that I would recommend doing is opening up Instagram again, tapping on the plus at the bottom center. And now, depending on whether you're a story, post, etc., you're going to tap on the gallery icon at the bottom left and make sure it pops up. If it does pop up, it might ask you at that point, do you want to enable access? If you go through all of these steps and it's still not working, the last thing I would recommend doing is just tapping and holding on the Instagram app, hitting remove app and delete the app. All you need to do is delete it and then just go back to the App Store and reinstall it, and that will definitely get it fixed. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.